Hi, I'm Miguel from Delphi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate and adjust a front camera. Front and rear toe-in and toe-out adjustments have been carried out on this vehicle. Let's get started. We start by checking the condition and pressure of the tires and making sure that they are all the same size. We use the calibration bench and the appropriate panel according to the manufacturer's specifications. Once the bench and panel are in place, we adjust to the correct measurement and start the electrical and electronic calibration. For this process, the first thing we do is fit a compatible voltage stabilizer on the battery and set it to diagnostic mode. Then, with the ignition on, we connect our DS BlueTech diagnostic tool and start by identifying the vehicle from its chassis. Once the model has been identified, we continue by reading the global fault codes to check the error codes in all the ECUs. In the usual way, we can check that we have error codes on the ADAS control unit. We read and check each one and proceed with the calibration, following the instructions as they appear on the screen of our DS BlueTech. Once the process has been completed and checked, a regulatory report is produced that proves that the operation has been successfully carried out in line with the manufacturer's standards. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you want to keep seeing content like this, follow us on social media or visit our Master of Motion online hub. Or if you want to continue learning with us, check out our courses at the Delphi Technologies Academy. See you again soon.